Is your skin summer ready? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing with you just some refreshers and some things for you to remember about now that summer is basically here, and what to do to take care of your skin and prep it for it and just make sure that it's wonderful and it stays great, throughout the whole season of summer. So if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. So one of the things to make sure is before you do anything else to make sure that you exfoliate your skin and that you take care of it. So I use a scrub pretty much every time I shower to make sure that, that layer of dead skin cells comes off and that my skin stays healthy and glowing and that I look my best every time. And so one scrub that I use is a sugar scrub, which is supposed to be can be used a lot more, mostly every day, or it's a lot more gentle, but it still is effective. I use Tree Hut. I'm sorry if it looks a little gross. I use this in the shower, so I use this one. As you can tell, it's been used a lot. Tree Hut makes really great scrubs. I've been using their scrubs for several years now. The scent right now that I'm using is Marula and Jasmine. They have lots of different scents, and in fact in the summer they will come out with maybe limited editions. I've tried other ones and they're wonderful, they're great. The grittiness is really good. I'm just going to show you just a little bit right here, but it's nice and gritty. It gets what the job needs done, and it's wonderful, it's great, and I really enjoy using that one very much. After you have exfoliated your skin, it's really great to do that before you are shaving or waxing, what have you. Whether you're going to be using, at-home wax kit or you're actually shaving at home, just make sure that you exfoliate and you take care of your skin. One thing to keep note after you have waxed or shaved is to kind of let your skin have a chance for it to breathe. So usually if I am doing something with waxing, I actually will not put any kind of moisturizer or anything on top of it, mostly just because your skin has kind of gone through a little bit of shock. And so one thing you want to do is just to let it breathe and give it a chance to just get back to its normal routine a little bit, and just give it a chance to calm down, especially if there's redness or even some irritation, that kind of stuff. You want to let it breathe a little bit, and then usually about after 24 hours you can then start, put some moisturizer or whatever you need to do on top of it. But it's best to let your skin breathe a little bit to give it a chance for it to calm down with all of that. Another thing that you need to make sure that you're doing when you are out in the sun, no matter what, every day, make sure that you put on sunscreen. On your arms, on your legs, on your neck, and especially on your face. Definitely sun exposure will age your skin over time, so it's very important, especially with the UVA and UVB rays that hit your face. So it's really important that you use a sunscreen on your face. The one I use, and I can leave a link to the review on the description box below, is the Dr. Jart Every Sunday Sun Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF Plus Sunscreen. I put this on right after I finish all my skincare and just before I put on my makeup. And just a really quick recap, this is just a wonderful, great sunscreen. There's no white cast. I don't feel heaviness. It sinks into the skin really quickly. It's very light, but I definitely feel that I'm much more protected using this, and I love this very much. The other thing too, for days that maybe you just don't have time to exfoliate in the shower or things like that, this is something also that's really great. I use this too on days when I just don't exfoliate in the shower. This is a dry brush. This is from Eco Tools, and the dry brush is a little rough. It is something to get used to in the beginning, but after you start using it, it's really quick, it's easy, you don't think about it much. This is something that you use, before you start your day. And what you'll need to do is when you use this, you use upward strokes only, and you start from your feet and you work all the way up to your neck. And you just use upward motions. This takes maybe about 5 minutes to do. It's really fast, it's really easy, there's not much to it. Something else to think about when the summer is here is, how we start wearing sandals, because we should. And one of the things is to take care of your feet, to make sure that you take care of them, that they look their best. I actually use I use this in the shower actually, after my feet have been soft in there. I actually got this idea to keep it in the shower from Tati Westbrook. She talked about how after, she's done, cleansing herself and that kind of stuff, she will use this really quick or use something like it on a stone and just get her feet and her heels and the bottom of her feet and that kind of stuff, just to get it all taken care of and that her feet look her best. And I've actually been doing that too, and I have definitely noticed a difference in my feet, and they just look so much nicer. The dead skin tends to come off a lot quicker, and I just don't have that issue of that dry crackiness. So, and then when I get out of the shower, I put lotion and take care of my feet so that they look their best. Of course, with summer coming around, definitely consider maybe changing up your skincare and your makeup routine, maybe doing something a little bit lighter or doing less products on during your skincare routine. Definitely take advantage of masks and things that will help you with your skin, especially after you've been out in the sun. Definitely want to keep it hydrated, drink lots of water, carry it around with you if you need to. Make it an accessory when you are out and about. Even if you are at home, make sure that you are consciously thinking about drinking water so that you can take care of your skin, yourself, and your health. Make sure that you're always looking your best. I hope this video gave you some tips and ideas and just even some reminders to help you to stay well and safe during the summertime. I know we're all excited to get out and be out there and have fun and to be with our friends and family or do whatever else that we need to do. So these are just some tips to help you to remember to take care of yourself, to continue to look your best, and to just enjoy the time being out in the sun. I hope this video helped you. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And I hope you have a great day, a great weekend. Please stay safe, take care, and I hope I get to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.